Pushing knit technology to new levels of comfort. Introducing the ultra-thin 21-gauge Helix Series 3015 seamless coated safety glove, a vanishing fit combined with continuous back-of-hand impact protection and extreme dexterity without sacrificing safety performance. Cut, puncture, and abrasion protection in 360 degrees. With HexArmor's premium plating process, the inside of the glove wears soft, cool, and comfortable, while the exterior knit is more coarse for added abrasion resistance in addition to extreme sharps protection. A new achievement in a proprietary covering and spinning process, balancing performance, dexterity, and value. With A2 cut resistance, the 3015 offers performance in addition to comfort, a favorite of workers who need detailed tactility and an effortless fit. Intricate, task-ready, with touchscreen capabilities. The back-of-hand impact exoskeleton is sewn on for security and offers protection, running continuous from wrist to fingertips. It's been perfected to offer ANSI ISEA Level 2 impact resistance. Great peace of mind from common bumps, smash, and pinch points. A new frontier in form fit, the 21-gauge knit wears cool and dry with an ultra-thin microfoam nitrile palm coating. Innovation intertwined with safety. That's the DNA of Helix Series. If you have any questions about the 21-gauge Helix Series 3015 with IRX impact exoskeleton, please contact us. Helix. Every worker, every glove, every day.